Welcome to English Lessons with Teacher Lemus. Today we're going to see ordinal numbers. So, we're going to recognize and name the ordinal numbers and pronounce each number correctly. So, what are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are a type of number used to indicate position or the order of items in a sequence, such as first, second, third, etc. And we also use them when saying dates. For example, when you win a prize and you get first place or second place or third place. Or for example, when you're playing Mario Kart, yes? And then you're driving and you know that the first place is going to get hit by a blue shell. So, let's take a look at the numbers and read, listen, and repeat after me. So we have here an example. Remember that I said that we can use the numbers also for dates. That's why we have here a calendar. So this one is first. Here's the pronunciation. First. Then we have second. Second. Third. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? Notice that at the end of these ones, the TH, we have the th sound. The th sound is pronounced by sticking your tongue out, biting softly with your teeth, and exhaling. Th. Remember. Th. You need to feel air on your hand. Th. Yes, you have to feel air, like fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? Now, in the case of third, this one is tricky. This one is a special case because if you don't pronounce it correctly, you can make a mistake and say another word, right? If you say third, is the number, but if you say third, you're saying poop. Be careful there. Yes, notice that one sound makes a big difference and you don't want to say poop, right? Yes, a third is a piece of poop, a big piece of poop. So, no, careful there. So you have to pronounce it correctly and remember the test with the sheet of paper, sheet. So when you say, you have to say third and push this sheet. Third. But when you say third, nothing. Third. 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 Careful there. One sound, big difference. Okay? Let's continue with some more numbers. Then we continue with from numbers 7 to 13, but in ordinal it's seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Okay? How is your tongue? A little dry? Mine is a little. Let me drink some water. A little better. Let's continue. The next part from 14 to 20. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and then 20th. Okay, careful here. 20th. That's how we pronounce it. 20th. Okay, now what comes from on the next numbers, it's similar to what happens in the cardinal numbers that we have from numbers 1 to 20. We have individual numbers, and then from 21 until later they follow a form, they follow a pattern. So this is something very similar from numbers 21 and on in ordinal numbers. So what comes next is that we're going to say the first number, like 20, and then we're going to combine with the ordinal number of the second one. So the example is this: 21st. Notice 21st, then 22nd, 23rd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. Okay, after that, what do you think comes next? 28th. Yes, 28th, 29th, and then 30th. In these ones, when you turn to 10 more, for example, you remember we have 20th, 30th. What do you think comes in 40? 40th, correct. 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th. Okay? So, going back a little bit. After 30th comes 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th, 39th, 40th, and then 41st, 42nd, 43rd, and on. Okay? How is it? Easy? Okay, now let's take a look at some examples. For example, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th. Okay? She's planning a big party for her 15th birthday. Okay? I finished 4th place in Mario Kart. Yes. Beethoven was born in the 18th century. Ta-ta-ta-tan. Yes. The first day of school is very exciting. Yes, very exciting. Okay? Well, thank you for joining today's class. Please like and subscribe, and follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Lemus. I also have private classes, more information over there, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.